Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that you've mastered the classic version, let's spice things up with unique flavors and expert tips to make your cookies truly stand out. Let's jump in. Molded and cut out butter cookies. These are the cookies of childhood memories, thick, sturdy, and ready for decorating. The trick is rolling the dough evenly and keeping it cold so shapes stay sharp. Roll it right. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. Roll between 2 sheets of parchment to prevent sticking, aiming for 1/4 inch thickness. Too thin, and they'll burn. Too thick, and they won't crisp evenly. Cut with care. Dip cookie cutters in flour before pressing firmly into the dough. Lift gently to avoid distorting the shape. Decorate before baking. Add sprinkles or sanding sugar now, they'll stick better than trying to glue them on after. For intricate designs, use a toothpick to etch details. Bake with precision. Space cookies 2 inches apart on a cool baking sheet. Rotate the sheet halfway through baking, at 325 degrees Fahrenheit / 160 degrees Celsius, for even color, about 10 to 12 minutes total. Pro tip: re-roll scraps once. Any more, and the dough gets tough. For molded cookies, press dough into floured molds, trim excess, then tap firmly to release. No matter which method you choose, remember, butter cookies reward patience. Take your time, and you'll end up with treats as beautiful as they are delicious. Creative variations and flavors. When you think of butter cookies, the classic buttery flavor probably comes to mind first. But here's the fun part. These cookies are an ideal canvas for creative twists. A little zest, a pinch of spice, or even a drizzle can transform them into something new without losing that beloved texture. Let's explore some easy ways to mix things up. Citrus-infused butter cookies. Bright, tangy citrus zest cuts through the richness of butter cookies, adding a refreshing kick. Lemon and orange are the most popular choices, but lime or grapefruit work too. How to add zest. Fold in 1 to 2 teaspoons of finely grated lemon or orange zest when creaming the butter and sugar. The oils in the zest pack a punch, so a little goes a long way. Pair it right. For extra zing, add a teaspoon of juice. Adjust flour if the dough gets too wet, or a citrus glaze after baking. Think lemon zest with a vanilla base, or orange zest paired with dark chocolate drizzle. These cookies are perfect for spring or summer, but they'll also lift your mood on a dreary winter day. Spiced butter cookies. Warm spices turn butter cookies into cozy, seasonal treats. Cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, or even a pinch of pepper can add depth without overpowering the buttery base. Classic cinnamon. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to the dry ingredients for a familiar warmth. Pair with a vanilla glaze for a snickerdoodle vibe. Unexpected twists. Try cardamom, ½ teaspoon, for a floral note, or chai spice mix, 1 teaspoon, for complexity. For a holiday twist, ginger or clove works beautifully. Spiced butter cookies are especially good with tea or coffee, ideal for chilly afternoons. Chocolate twist. Chocolate and butter are a match made in heaven. Here's how to work it in. Drizzle. Melt dark or milk chocolate and zigzag it over cooled cookies. Sprinkle with sea salt for contrast. Mix ins. Fold in mini chocolate chips or cocoa powder. Replace 2 to 4 tablespoons of flour with cocoa for a subtle chocolate base. Gluten-free and vegan adaptations. Butter cookies can still shine without traditional ingredients. Gluten-free. Swap all-purpose flour for a 1-to-1 gluten-free blend. Add 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum if the mix doesn't include it. This keeps the cookies from crumbling. Vegan. Use plant-based butter, like Miyoko's or Earth Balance, and a flaxseed, 1 tablespoon ground flax plus 3 tablespoons water, left to thicken. Coconut sugar works instead of granulated for a deeper flavor. The best part. These adjustments don't sacrifice texture. No one will guess they're gluten-free or vegan. Whether you're craving something zesty, spiced, or decadent, butter cookies adapt effortlessly. Which variation will you try first? Baking tips for perfect butter cookies. Great butter cookies aren't just about the recipe, small details make all the difference. Whether you're aiming for crisp edges or a tender crumb, these tricks will help you nail the texture every time. Chilling the dough for better texture. Chilling cookie dough isn't just a suggestion, it's the secret to cookies that hold their shape. Here's why it matters. Prevent spreading. Cold butter melts slower in the oven, so cookies stay thick instead of flattening into puddles. Enhances flavor. Resting the dough lets the flour fully hydrate, giving cookies a more balanced taste and a firmer bite. For cutout cookies, chill the dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling. Piped cookies? Chill the shaped dough on the tray for 10 minutes before baking. Pressed for time? Freeze the dough for 15 minutes instead. Golden-edged cookies, baking time tricks. Butter cookies should be pale in the center with just a hint of gold at the edges. Overbake them by a minute, and they'll turn dry. Here's how to hit the sweet spot. Watch the edges. Pull cookies out when the very edge turns light gold. The center will still look soft but firms up as they cool. Rotate the tray. Ovens have hot spots. Turn the baking sheet halfway through for even color. Use the right pan. Light-colored baking sheets prevent bottoms from browning too fast. Avoid dark pans unless you lower the oven temp by 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Pro tip: underbake slightly if you prefer softer cookies. They'll crisp up as they cool but stay tender inside. With these tips, your butter cookies will come out just right, crisp where they should be and melt in your mouth tender at the center. Butter cookies have a way of feeling both timeless and fresh, simple enough for weeknights, yet special enough for celebrations. Whether you stick with the classic or twist it with citrus, spice, or chocolate, each batch is a chance to make something unforgettable. Now it's your turn. Grab your favorite butter, tweak a flavor, and see where the dough takes you. Tag us with your creations, we'd love to see what you bake. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.